3. Planning. Planning is the process of defining goals, setting priorities, and determining the action needed to achieve them. Its critical function in management, aimed at preparing for future opportunities and challenges. The nature of planning is strategical, systematical, and forward-looking, involving decision-making to ensure efficiency, resources allocation, and risk management. Type of plan. Strategical plan. Long-term broad objective set by top management focusing on the overall direction of the organization. Number 2. Tactical plan. Medium-term plan developed to support strategical goals, spying the action required within department of function. Number 3. Operational plan. Short-term, detailed plan that focus on day-to-day tasks and activities necessary to meet immediately goals. And number 4, contingency plan. Plan that outline alternative course of action in case of unexpected events or changes. Planning at different level of firm. Number 1, corporative level strategical planning by top management sets the direction of entire organization. Number 2, functional level. Tactical planning by middle management translate cooperative goal into specific development action. Number 3, operational level. Supervisory management creates detailed short-term plan to ensure daily tasks align with the tactical objectives. Planning techniques and tools. Key planning tools include SWOT analysis, opportunities, best analysis, and political and economical, society, and technological factor. Application of planning tools and techniques. Planning tools are applied to strategic decision-making, project scheduling, and risk analysis to ensure objectives are met efficiently and effectively. Decision-making. Effective planning supports decision-making by providing structured approach to evaluate alternatives and selecting the best course of action to achieve organization goals.